Today I'm doing a quick video on this workbench by a company called Fab Heavy Parts. I want to give these guys a big thank you and a big shout out for sending me their product. This is a very nice workbench. I want you guys to take a look at it. So check it out, guys. This is the workbench right here. Okay, very awesome. And as you can see down here, you have more space to put more tools and stuff. You also have a big drawer here where you can put more tools. Okay, store more stuff, whatever you have, parts, screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, anything you have will fit in here, guys. Okay, and it has two handles, one here and one here. You also have a big pegboard here, as you can see. You can hang more stuff, tools, lights. Have my ratchet over here, my light, my working gloves. I even have my little model car here also. It has a 300-pound carrying capacity. It has waterproof and rust-proof coated finish, and also non-slip rubber feet, as you can see down there. Will not scratch your floor. I put my little model cars up there. Have all the space. As you can see, you have more space on the side also, right there. As you can see, durable. It has the rust-proof coating. Definitely cannot beat it. Also, in the bottom, you have more space.